pas vidno Staffoaga in the village near Said out again with no doubt or fear Through Collpapampa down to the stream Across the bridge that trails to Conakry 18 kilometers, not steep but long With every step the jungle sang its song River trails and rising heat From cold mountain air to jungle speed Swapping jackets for shorts and sun The trek is changing, my journey's begun Down narrow paths, the wild lands deep Where the river flows and secrets lead The lower we went, the warmer it grew With each winding step our world made new Out came the sunscreen and black spray strong In the heat and green we walked along Through jungle paths by riverside The Andes shifting wild and wide The mountain strength, the rivers call This journey it gives its all River trails and rising heat From cold mountain air to jungle speed Swapping jackets for shorts and sun The trek is changing, our journey's begun Down narrow paths, the wild lands deep Where the river flows and secrets sleep Every mile, every step we tread with the earth below and skies ahead From mountain cold to jungle warm We walk this path where I'll born River trails and rising heat From cold mountain air to jungle speed Swapping jackets for shorts and sun The trek is changing, our journey's begun Down narrow paths, the wild lands deep Where the river flows and secrets sleep As the day fades out and shadows fall We find our way through nature's call With every turn we're moving on In Salkantay's arms till the dawn
Broken bridges, paths worn thin Crossing rivers where the waves grow dim The jungle thickens, the trail's not clear But we keep pushing with no trace of fear Over missing boards where the waters run Step by step till the trail is won Through landslides past and waterfalls And Salkantay's grass where nature calls Which is broken trails washed away Where the landslide took what dared to stay Through jungle mist and rivers deep The mountain holds secrets it won't keep We're walking close to the earth's own edge Carving our path on a razor's edge We reach Pacchi's falls, thundering loud Nature's beauty, wild and proud But parts of the trail, they're gone for good Lost to the mountain reclaimed by words. Every step, a careful dance as we move forward, take a chance. In the shadow of rocks and trees, we're part of this world, its mysteries. Witches, broken trails washed away, where the landslide took what dared to stay. Through jungle mist and rivers deep, the mountain holds secrets it won't keep. We're walking close to the earth's own edge, carving our path on a razor's edge. With waterfalls crashing and trails so thin, we find our courage from deep within. The paths may shift and trails might fall, the mountains saw answers our call. Well, witches, broken trails washed away, where the landslide took what dared to stay. Through jungle mist and rivers deep, the mountain holds secrets it won't keep. We're walking close to the earth's own edge, carving our path on a razor's edge. As the day draws close and shadows grow, we carry on where few will go. With every step our journey's bound to the lands and trails where dreams are found. Working close to the earth's own edge, carving our path on a razor's edge. As the day draws close, shadows grow, carry on where few will go. With every step our journey's bound to the lands and trails where dreams are found.
Drehen.